This is the best bolognese sauce I've ever eaten. You want to make one too in your kitchen? Then stay tuned and check this recipe out. Now take an example. You want to make this bolognese sauce in your kitchen right away. The first thing you want to get prepped is your grounded meat. I have mixture of pork and beef. You can go for just beef, but I love the taste that comes with it. Okay, and the second one is get your carrot, peel it. You want to grate it or just slice in a small cube shape. Okay, I will always talk about prep. Get your mise en place ready. It will make your cooking very easy and stress-free. I grabbed my onion. This is the third thing you have to prep. Your onion slice however you wish to have it, but it is perfect when you have the small chopped brunoise onion. Our mise en place is ready. This is the basic ingredients for today's recipe. My ground meat, carrot, I have tomato sauce, onion, and tomato paste. These are the basic ingredients, so I will leave all the ingredients in the description box. Please don't forget to check them out. Now that our mise en place is ready, the next step you will take is get your pot. Just introduce some amount of sunflower oil and let it get hot. It has to be hot, okay? Then introduce your ground meat. Now we want to roast our meat to achieve that roast flavor in today's recipe. Okay, bolognese sauce is a typical Italian cuisine that is worldwide known for his super unbeatable taste. Like I can say everyone, it is loved by so many countries, so many people. It is my favorite meal. Okay, and also we have all sorts of recipes when it comes to bolognese. So some people will cook for hours. The Italians will cook for hours, I mean hours. It is totally so no boundary. Now, what we are doing here is to create that roast flavor. When you achieve what you have on the screen, it can occur that your ground meat start produced juice. When it start producing juice, meaning you will not achieve that roast flavor again. All you need to do is take some, just breathe in, breathe out, and just wait and let those juice dry off again. It takes no time, just 3 to 5 minutes. The whole liquid will be gone again. And when the liquid dry off, you just have to wait, just stir here and there until it starts, getting like you are roasting something to achieve it. It is two different things, roast and burnt flavor. Okay, the worst thing that can happen to your bolognese sauce is letting it get burnt. So don't allow that to happen. Just stay behind. This is the only work in bolognese sauce. This is the only thing. There is nothing special about bolognese sauce. Okay, so just stay behind, continue to stir here and there. Then look at that. Look at under the pot. You see those nice brown flavor. This is what we want to have. Okay, so when it's done, you just want to go ahead, introduce your sliced onion at this point and stir all that together. After the onions, you want to go in with your garlic at the same point, your sliced or pressed garlic at the same point. Then stir all that together. Then you will go ahead and introduce your carrot. Okay, some recipes does not require carrot, while some requires other vegetables, while some there is no boundary. I repeat, no boundary when it comes to. Some people will go ahead and declare with some white wine. It is totally up to you, but this recipe, check out the description box and everything is listed out. Everything was just measured out just for you. Okay, let me say thank you so much to my returning subscribers for always tuning in. I appreciate you all so much. Thank you for always coming to watch my video. If this is your first time coming across this channel, my name is Annie Krieger. Thanks for joining me. Please don't forget to stay by subscribing to my channel. Also hit the notification bell and you will be among the first person to be notified anytime I post a new video. Back to our cooking. I went in with my tomato paste. I went in with some oregano, some dry basil. I went in with pinch of some small amount of salt. Again, I went in with a vegetable powder. Lastly, then you want to stir all that nicely in. Introduce your tomato sauce at this point, okay? Stir all that together and then go in with your broth, okay? Any broth you have at home, your broth, vegetable broth, chicken broth, or beef broth, okay? Introduce your broth. I am going for water today, so this is the water. It's measured out 550 ml for 1 kilo of meat. This is where you want to decide if you want to cook your bolognese sauce longer or shorter, however you want. I just covered mine, let it cook on a low heat for 1 hour. Okay, I repeat, 1 hour. Some people will cook 2 hours, 3 hours, 4 hours. How do you, the question is, how do you want your meat, your ground meat to be? How do you love to have it while you chew that delicious meal in your mouth? You want to have it so tender, melts in your mouth. It is up to you. I just made mine for 1 hour and I was super satisfied. That's just enough. Most of my recipes that I bring to you, I cook them now and there at work, and most are still from my cooking book from school years back. Okay, so just it's up to you. Just decide. This is 1 hour and my sauce is done. It is time to plate. I have my spaghetti cooked. This is one of the classic side dish for bolognese sauce, and that's it. Serve and go in with your parmigiano. Okay, so I can't eat spaghetti bolognese without parmesan. Okay, I just want to have this parmesan, and the flavor is on top of the world. And if you have fresh basil, it's still the perfect one. I don't have fresh basil, but it is super delicious, guys. It's just amazing. So if you haven't liked this video, please go ahead and give me a thumbs up, and also share with your loved ones. What do you think about the recipe? Have you tasted bolognese before? So please let me know in the comment section. Okay, share with your loved ones and leave your opinion down below. See you all in my next one. Bye for now.